Hi guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, you're going to learn that how you can create an account on Taobao application. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. First, you need to download and install the Taobao application on your device. Once you do so, you need to tap on Open the application. So once you open the application, you will see an interface like this. So from here, how to create an account. All you need to do is to tap on your account option right here. So once you tap on an account, here it will bring you to this page, and from here you can choose your phone to create an account, or you can use an email instead. So if you want to use an email, just tap on the email option, and then you will be able to create your account using your email. So I will choose the phone number. So I will enter the phone number first. So guys, once you enter your phone number, the next thing you need to do is to tap on I have read and agree to the terms and condition. But if you want to create an account using your Line application, you can continue with your Line account, your Google account, or you can continue with your Facebook. But I will use my phone number. So I will tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, the application will send you a code, a verification code. You will receive it. As you can see, you need to copy that code and paste it. So I will enter that code here. Once you enter the code, it will bring you here. And as you can see, now my account has been created. You need to allow some permission. So once I go to my account now, as you can see, my account has been created, and this is how you can create your account on Taobao application. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.